up, beautiful people? Are you tired of leftovers, eating the same damn thing every single day? I'm going to show you very quickly how to turn something, or how to turn nothing into something. How to turn nothing into something. Just watch the next video thing. So check it out. In this bowl, I've got some leftover steak and mushrooms that I cooked on New Year's Eve. That was actually Whole30. And then in a pot, I've got some of the bone broth I made this morning. I added a splash each of coconut aminos, sesame oil, and then I threw in a couple stalks of this yu choy. This is what yu choy looks like. It's kind of like a Chinese broccoli, but the stems are much softer. And then I just reheated that until it got a little bit soft. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to scoop this stuff out. I'm going to add it to the bowl along with the steak and the mushrooms. All right. And then this is like a very multiple part process. I'm going to pour the broth right over top. Look at that. Perfect pour. Come on. And then, because I like things spicy, I'm going to add a couple slices of jalapeno. And I'm serious when I say I like things spicy. So this is Sichimi Togarashi. It's like a Japanese spice blend. There are your ingredients. You could screenshot if you want. But this stuff is good on everything. Just a bit. And then last but not least, I'm going to add this perfectly cooked soft-boiled egg. This is cooked for exactly 6 minutes. And then it's put into an ice bath. Now watch. Oh, come on, baby. Oh, yeah. And that's it. As easy as that. You just put stuff in a bowl and you got something out of nothing. This is like perfect January Whole30 food. Hold on a second. You know what? I think this needs a little dash. Much better.